This song never gets old.
I really love this song. I will say. We saw a lot of it, of course, on the 4th of July.
I know.
We heard that one.
Bring it back.
Well, apparently, though, you won't see fireworks between Katy Perry and Robert Pattinson. Rumors about a relationship swirled in May after the two showed up to a wedding rehearsal together.
Ooh.
But the singer tells LUK that she could never disrespect Pattinson's ex, Kristen Stewart.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Well, there is,
There's kind of a girl code. Yeah.
What's if you're friends, you can't date your...
No, that is the girl code.
Okay.
We'll see, though. Perry says she and the Twilight actor are just friends. I don't know. It always starts that way.
Girl
It
code.
does.
You
It does start as friends.
friends.
It's true.
I'm glad to know there's a girl code. I learned something today.
Oh,
heard of
we'll
girl
teach you all
code?
about the girl code later.
Gosh. Hey, this one is sure to be a big talker in the Twin Cities today. Will Justin Morneau be traded? The deadline is 3 o'clock this afternoon to get a deal done. Morneau is hopeful that when deadline passes, he is still a member of the Twins, but he knows that trading is a business in baseball.
Nothing I can do about it. I don't know. Just go out and play and hopefully be wearing this uniform tomorrow and the next day, and that's all I can really do. I'm happy to be here, and this is where I want to be, but you know, if there's something that can help make this team better in the future, I guess that's up to them, but you know, I want to be a part of it. I want to be a part of this city. It's been great for me, but we'll see.
Yes, we will. 3 o'clock, the countdown is on.
He's got a good attitude
I
about
think
it.
he does too. He's one of my favorite Twins
Yeah.
players.
You can do.
Yeah.
Thanks, Natalie.
Yeah, you
Let's
got
check
it.
in with WCCO Radio's Dave Lee.
Hey, Dave.
Good morning, good neighbors. Yeah, I was at the game last night. I think they're showcasing Jamie Carroll. I wouldn't doubt they trade him.
Really?
Oh, really?
Well, that's an interesting take.
Well, I don't. I just wanted to join the conversation.
Why not?
I have no
Well,
idea.
we appreciate it.
Nobody told you. Nobody told us either. We'll find out.
That's right.
Hey, I-94, I live up in this area that Representative Michelle Bachmann is talking about.
What would you like me to ask her about that road then, so I can take care of this for you?
That's well, I tell you what, I did see yesterday online, she's talking about expanding I-94 because it gets to be such a mess between like
yeah.
Albertville and St. Cloud.
Oh, that's terrible.
I saw a lot of bipartisan agreement on this idea online yesterday.
It's kind of interesting because she was with Mark Dayton. That seems like strange bedfellows right there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But we'll ask her about this and what she's planning and how that meeting went. And it would have been fun to be a fly on the wall. But we'll ask her about that. It's 7:22. If you're in the car, turn the radio on. We'll have Representative Bachmann.
You've also got the big Gary Sinise benefit. The beneficiary is going to be on your show,
Yeah, that's
right?
Sunday.
Yeah, already. We were talking with Gary Sinise a few weeks ago about it. What a neat guy. Mark Lutinsky will be on with us later this morning. We'll talk about this home they're trying to get built. Just a neat effort. So that'll be in the 8 o'clock hour this morning. So when you hop in the vehicle, turn the radio on. We'll be hanging around here.
Yeah, I got to talk to Gary Sinise yesterday. That is a celebrity that walks the walk.
Yeah, isn't that
He really
something?
does. He's fantastic.
I can't get over his devotion, but I didn't realize his band was as good as it is.
It is, and it's going to be fun on Sunday. If you're heading to work, Dave, thanks so much. You can hear Dave Lee on WCCO AM 830 until 9.